With the Fallout show being such a massive hit lately, a lot of you has asked me how do I record this and send it to my hard drive to watch offline. Usually people try to use OBS, but you run into three big problems. First, the black screen. Because Amazon uses DRM encryption, standard screen recorders can't capture the video. You just get a black box. Second, interference. Amazon's X-ray feature is super sensitive. If you accidentally knock your mouse while recording, the cast overlay pops up and ruins your shot. Third, it's too slow to record a 2-hour movie. Your computer has to sit there for 2 hours. It's a huge waste of time. To solve these problems, we need a specialized streaming recorder, RecordFab. Step 1. Access the site. Open RecordFab and you'll see this built-in browser interface. There are two ways to get to Amazon. 1. You can paste the video link directly into the address bar at the top. 2. Look at the list below. Find Amazon Prime in the alphabetical list and click it. Step 2. Log in and play. Inside this built-in browser, log into your Amazon account. Find a video you want to record, like Fallout, and hit play. Note, you don't need to crop windows or go full screen like in OBS, just play normally. Step 3. Speed settings to start. Once the video starts playing, look at the bottom right corner. There is a big stop button, click it. At this point, the settings window will pop up in the middle of the screen. Here you can choose the recording speed from 1x up to 5x. At the same time, I usually pick 5x speed. This means recording a 2-hour movie takes only about 20 minutes. Click OK and the recording starts. And the best part, you can minimize the window and let it run in the background. Step 4. Stop and manage. During recording, if you want to finish, just click the stop button in the bottom right. When it's done, the video saves automatically. Click My Files on the main interface. Here you can preview the video or open the folder where it's saved. The option is simple, but the quality difference between RecordFab and the standard screen recorder is huge. It comes down to these 4 key data points. First, the 5x speed recording. Standard screen recording is 1-to-1 real time. It takes forever. RecordFab's core advantage is acceleration. It processes the video stream at up to 5 times the speed. If you are trying to archive a whole season of a TV show, this is a massive time saver. Second, clean feed stripping. Normal screen recorders capture everything. The browser address bar, the window borders, and those big black bars on the top and bottom. RecordFab intelligently identifies the actual video area and automatically cuts out all those borders and bars. You get a pure 2.40:1 cinematic picture immediately. No post-editing cropping required. Third, native frame rate and high bitrate. For video quality, RecordFab supports bitrates up to 10,000 kbps. This is crucial for shows like Fallout with lots of dark shadow scenes. The high bitrate keeps the image sharp without those ugly blocky artifacts. Also, it captures the native 23.976 frame rate instead of forcing it to 60 frames. This prevents the microstutter you often see in screen recordings. Motion looks much more natural. Fourth, flexible formats. RecordFab lets you choose your output. If you want to play on your phone, tablet, or smart TV, go with MP4 for the best compatibility. If you are archiving on a PC or doing video editing, you can choose MKV. One crucial tip here, since this is a recording technology, it captures exactly what is on screen, so please make sure you select your preferred subtitle language in the Amazon player before you hit start. RecordFab will burn them in perfectly. Besides movies and TV shows, RecordFab has a hidden feature. It supports live streaming recording. Many downloaders cannot handle live streams, but because RecordFab records the stream in real time, whether it's a sports match, breaking news, or gaming live stream, it captures it stably. It's much more reliable than OBS and doesn't have audio sync issues caused by network lag. To sum it up, RecordFab is about efficiency getting content. Well, OBS is just capturing a screen. If you want a high-quality local archive, RecordFab is the better choice. The software does offer a free trial. I suggest you download it and try recording 5 minutes just to see the quality for yourself. The download link is in the description below. Give it a shot, and I'll see you in the next one.